Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and keeping safe. Today I have bring you the unboxing and complete review of formal belt from Urban ALFAMI, a new company I found in Flipkart. So I have purchased this for rupees 189 plus 10 super coin. So it is available for 199 in Flipkart. So it comes in a nice box. It is mentioned as genuine leather, but I don't know if it is leather or artificial leather. There are 5 colors available. This color is black. It also has a 10 days return policy and comes with 1 year warranty. So I am really impressed by this quality of the belt. I did not expect such quality under 200 rupees. So frankly speaking, I did not expect such good quality under 200 rupees. And I have to use it for long term for the durability, but at first instance its quality is superb. So at 200 rupees it is an absolute value for money. You can definitely go for this. I will put the buying link of Flipkart in the description section. You can go check it out. Thanks for watching guys. Please do subscribe.